Alright, so sounds like a jet engine in there. Like I was saying, this is a Rocket 150 amp ESC and Rocket 770. Oh no, this is a F540. I'm sorry. Rewind that. This is a 3950. It's a 28 series. Jeez, I thought it was the other one. That one's in. Sorry. I haven't had my coffee yet. This is my first coffee break of the morning, so so rewind all that. I'm probably not even going to use that other intro. So what we got going on today is we got our winter's evening bearings, rubber sealed, with Urgenex 3S 2200 XT60 connector on our Blitzer Beetle, and we also have the new Power G. Hopefully, if I remember, I'll put it in the link. But the ones we just upgraded, so the last video, we did some work over here. We're gonna do a little more today, just make it a little nicer around here. I've been waiting to get this out here. Ooh, gotta take her easy. Get my sea legs, guys. Get my sea legs. So, so if you haven't watched in a while, we took this one jump out, make for the faster lane for the bigger cars. But you notice we got kind of a new wall there. And I took the wood and the Lexan out of this and made it a dirt jump on one side. So, see, that's a little funny. Okay, maybe I had something stuck in there. She's running good on the track. Yeah, buddy. Sea legs. I think I even got a tree stuck in the T-bone. Think I'm gonna have to start using the wall. So this is what I'm talking about. Get the speed fast enough for her and get a nice lap counter. Nice thing also is I want to do some bashing. I got the basher section over here, and really I could do rally cars in this section. I might put some bumps. I like this curve a little better. So we're gonna make this jump a dirt jump as well. Man, this thing's awesome. I forgot it's the 2845 F540 with the Rocket. Oh, this is like the best setup, man. The only thing that could upgrade is these are just the oil-filled CVAs. Could use some option number ones. Zenning out, guys. Zenning out. Whoa! Hopefully this is coming out good, because I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Time to do a little wall action, I think. So, maybe later today I'll start working on this, because I want to change that next. But, I told you I got a tree stuck in here. I knew something was up. Alright. Might have to let it cool off for a minute. But if you didn't notice, we got a new wall over there. My idea is for some lights. And we've been doing a little work on the crawler track. You see, we painted it and we got some more rocks. Starting to fill in the vegetation, the clover and the I like those things. They look like little trees, so the dinosaurs mix in. So, I don't know, it looks cool to me. But anyways, You're here to look at the cars. See, and that's why there's walls too. This is the basher section. Also good for the 116. Man, I love this car. Mike over at RCRX, man, this was one of the best choices, man. We got to do that monster Beetle next, man. That's winter chicken dinner. Oh, anyway, I'm having too much fun today. I think it's time to actually have my coffee before I get a little silly. I haven't eaten breakfast yet either, so. What are you gonna do? Sometimes it's the way the morning goes. Fun before food. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. It's a little morning run. Oh! Oh, that was bad. I hope nobody saw that. But yeah, this is the other side, sorry. So I might put a little grass section here, the lower part, so you can run up on it. Well, like and subscribe, guys. Peace out. Alright guys, so it's time to take the Beetle out after last upgrades and whatnot. We're going to run on a 3S 2200 Urgenex battery. And the way this setup works is kind of perfect. Fits in there right nice. We're going to steal the receiver out of our DFO3 and we'll get her rolling. It's been a bit since we've run her. Made some changes to the track, so I'll go over those while we go through this. We got any other updates? So the DFO3, the dark impact, I got ceramic bearings coming, and I got some new shocks, and I believe a new set of gears. So once they're all here, we're going to do an upgrade on that, and which used to be sweet. Right now we're just running with our winter's evening bearing, the standard rubber, and Rocket 770. So it's a high torque, so this thing spins all over the place. But really haven't run on the track at all with this setup at all. So it'll be fun to see. Well, I'll be right back and we'll get her out there.